Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of full screen on the application of Reddit. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you search about Reddit and you click in this page of app info. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.